Hello world, welcome back to another BYU CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be covering the Reverse Engineering Challenge Fun Fact. Let's get into it. This challenge should help you to learn more about reverse engineering Python code. But if not, at least you can learn more about sea creatures. So they give you this obfuscated.py file, and I have it open over here already for our convenience. And it is indeed a base64 string that it is decoding and executing. So let's see what happens if we just run the file. All right, so it's asking for input. So if we do 1 to print the flag. all right, I got you. So what we can do instead of just executing this string is let's just print it, right? Shouldn't be any trouble. All right. So yeah, that's looking like some Python code right there. Well, some more Python code. But I've also noticed that this is a byte array. So if we decode the byte array, because as you can see, there's \ns because it's reading all the characters as raw bytes, right? If we can decode this and turn it into a string, then it should actually interpret those new lines as actual new lines and make this prettier to look at. In fact, I'll maximize a little bit for that purpose. So let's just do a little .decode on this. And now let's run it. Ah, yes, that's looking a lot better. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and comment out our first bit up here. All right, there we go. And let's go ahead and copy the new bit. I think here we go. All right, so first thing I want to do is obviously get rid of the main call because we don't care about clicking options. That's annoying. And option 3, let's look at that because here I'm seeing an encrypted, and if I guess we match this encrypted string, we get a success message. Sounds good to me. Let's see. So if we do user input flag, okay, so let's go ahead and comment that out because we don't care about that either. And this will obviously throw an error message because user input's not being used, and encrypted is also not being used properly. Well, not defined anymore. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave that. I don't think it matters that much. So here we have a random array. It's XORing snowflake eels have 2 sets of jaws with pretty crazy, huh? And I'm guessing that's from this random facts up here. Maybe it's not. I'm not sure. Either way, it's saying other random array list string not printable. Printable means like all the printable ASCII characters. And then it's just pulling a key from that array. So this is probably brute forceable since it looks like it's only one character. But there's a much simpler way for us to actually pull the key rather than going to CyberChef and trying to brute force it. We can literally just print out the key here. Now this will throw an error message because I commented out the user input because I didn't feel like putting it in. Actually, you know what? We can just put it in. Why not? That way we just don't have errors. All right, so let's rerun it. Okay. Oh, that's right. I didn't actually call anything. We need to actually call option 3 down here. There we go. All right, now we can put in whatever here. It doesn't matter because all we care about is the key, and it looks like the key is W. Awesome. So now that we have that, we can easily solve this by simply taking our string right here and XORing it with, in fact, we'll just do it right here. Let's do print key. Yeah, let's do print key XORed with output right here, or well, our encrypted string, and that should give us whatever this is, or whatever our message is going to be. So now let's try it. So let's put in some flaggy. We can't just XOR 2 strings together, but you know what we can do is we can just take this and put it into CyberChef. Oh, actually, I have a bookmark now. There we go. And let's just paste that in. And we know what the... Oh, I need to get rid of that quote. And we know what the XOR key is. It's just a W. And we'll just make that UTF-8. And there's our message. Orcas are cool. So we'll grab that, paste it in here. Oh, well, let's also put it in the flag format like it wants. And there we go. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.